how to convert Canva to HTML. So let's just open a new project. Let's open a YouTube thumbnail. And let's choose one from the pre-made templates. Let's choose this one. And in order to convert this to HTML, you have to click the share button up in the top right corner. And then you want to scroll down and click more. And then you want to click embed. And then you want to click embed again. And inside here, as you can see, you have the HTML embed code here. You want to click copy. And you want to insert it to the place you want to have it. So this is how to convert Canva to HTML. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.